So we've literally only done like half this rug, and not even half, honestly. It kind of stopped there at the table line. And look at how much stuff's already in there. It's crazy. I know we're dirty, but also this does a really good job of picking stuff up. Is this performance powered lift away Shark vacuum actually high quality? Does it actually prevent hair buildup on the brushes on the bottom? Because I was super skeptical. You guys know whenever you vacuum and you've got long haired pets or maybe even long hair yourself, and then you look at the brush at the bottom of the vacuum and it's like all tangled up in hair, and then it might even eventually get to the point where it doesn't spin at all. But this one has a special brush on the bottom. It's a HairPro brush that just, honestly, I'll show you here in a second. It does not attract any sort of hair. It's got some sort of mechanism to keep it from clogging and getting tangled up. It does have a detachable base as well. There's a wand release button that you can press, and you can actually pull it off the base of the vacuum, and you can carry it around and pick it up and carry it. Now, it's surprisingly lightweight as well. I was not expecting it to be this lightweight, and when you do turn it on, it actually pulls for you, which is a weird thing to try and explain over video, but normally with a vacuum, you've got to push and put quite a bit of effort into actually vacuuming. This one will actually kind of pull itself forward, and you can definitely see the amount of hair collecting just on top of this flat rug. So yeah, an insane amount of dirt and hair and dust and everything being picked up in there. What's crazy is we have other vacuums that we've been using, and we thought that they were doing a good job, but clearly not. So using the Shark, we picked up way more stuff. And then here's the bottom of the brushes. I was super surprised to see that they do not have any hair on the brushes. You can switch between area rug, hardwood floor, and carpet low pile.
One area rug.
This is just one area rug. Just one area rug. We have 2 dogs, we have 2 cats. So you can empty out all of the vacuumed material very easily. The whole vacuum itself is very lightweight, and if you have trouble reaching certain corners, there are attachments for the vacuum for specifically reaching corners. I'll show you here in a second. We also have the fabric cleaner attachment. This is one where same concept as the bottom of the vacuum itself. It's got a brush that does not get tangled with hair very easily.
Put them on all the way. They do fit pretty tightly though, but you don't have to like snap it down.
So very easy to use. This one here is good for baseboard trim and getting in those tight corners and stuff. Here's everything that does come with it. There's a deodorizing cartridge, a manual, several different types of attachment heads. And as far as, vacuums go, we've had battery powered ones before in the past that just did not impress us. And so we're really happy to get this wired Shark vacuum. It is in my opinion, a great option for pet owners like ourselves. We're really happy with the fact that the brush on the bottom isn't getting tangled. Otherwise, I hope this helps you. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.